Welcome to Cars Trends. The upcoming BMW M4 GTR 2026 concept boasts a stunning design that combines sleek lines, aggressive curves, and a futuristic aesthetic. The car's body is crafted from advanced materials, including lightweight alloys and carbon fiber, providing exceptional strength-to-weight ratio and aerodynamic performance. The upcoming BMW M4 GTR 2026 concept features a premium interior with advanced technology, including a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a high-resolution display screen. The car's interior is designed to provide a luxurious and comfortable driving experience, with premium materials and attention to detail. The car also features advanced safety features, including forward collision avoidance, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The upcoming BMW M4 GTR 2026 concept is designed with safety in mind, featuring a robust body structure and advanced safety systems. The upcoming BMW M4 GTR 2026 concept is powered by an advanced powertrain, providing exceptional performance and efficiency. The car's advanced technology provides a seamless driving experience, making it an ideal choice for those who demand the best. The car's advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and autonomous emergency braking. The upcoming BMW M4 GTR 2026 concept is designed to provide a safe and convenient driving experience. The upcoming BMW M4 GTR 2026 concept features advanced connectivity and infotainment systems, including wireless charging, Wi-Fi hotspot, and seamless integration with smartphones. The car's advanced technology provides a connected and enjoyable driving experience. The upcoming BMW M4 GTR 2026 concept is designed with performance in mind, featuring a powerful engine and advanced suspension system. The car's advanced technology provides exceptional handling and responsiveness, making it an ideal choice for driving enthusiasts. The car's exterior design is characterized by sleek lines and aggressive curves, with advanced LED lighting systems and aerodynamic design elements. The car's interior features premium materials and attention to detail, with heated and ventilated seats and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. The upcoming BMW M4 GTR 2026 concept is a true masterpiece of German engineering, showcasing the latest innovations in the automotive industry. The car's advanced design, technology, and performance make it an ideal choice for those who demand the best. The car's advanced safety features, including forward collision avoidance and lane departure warning, provide a safe and secure driving experience. The car's advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane centering, provide a convenient and stress-free driving experience. The upcoming BMW M4 GTR 2026 concept features a range of advanced technologies, including advanced LED lighting systems, aerodynamic design elements, and premium materials. The car's advanced technology provides exceptional performance and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for those who demand the best. The upcoming BMW M4 GTR 2026 concept is designed to provide a luxurious and comfortable driving experience, with premium materials and attention to detail.